Come test drive the 2021 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fourth passenger door. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.